Moton oh. Moton. Kainan na. Hello guys.
Yes, good morning.
Jangkir
Jangkir
number one na ulam
Ulama.
Laman loob oh.
Papaitan?
Papaitan.
Wala na. Hi.
Kainan na guys. Ayan, got.
Ano parota.
How about this one? Oh, chicken again Chicken Tumasake lah. Dama. Ito yung masarap na ulam. Ayan, simple lang. Sasa at saka pritong itlog.
Pambansa yan.
Pambansang ulam ng OFW guys.
Pambansahis na yan.
Itlog. Back to work na tayo mga lods. Installing cable tree. Full ceiling. Daanan ng ating fiber optic cable at saka electrical cable. Ayan, back to work na tayo. Ayan, thanks for watching guys. Like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, shout out sa mga Team Lintik Tigang. Shout out.